with SkipperBud's up here in Oshkosh. One of our newest listings. This is a 2022 Four Winds 210 Horizon that we have on consignment. See, it's got the navy blue with a navy blue matching trailer. It does have a swing away tongue, tandem axle trailer. Walk towards the back here. It's both equipped with the Mercruiser 4.5 250 horsepower engine with an alpha drive. Nice steep ladder. We'll jump up on board here. See, it's got a nice walk-through back here. Boat is equipped for 10 people. And you see the boat's got 45 hours on it. Nice big open bow here. And of course you got the filler cushion that would go there. Create a seat when you're not using it as a walkway. It does come with a table that will mount here. Nice cup holders all the way throughout. Nice big glove box. Does have in-floor storage. And it's got a seat here that you can sit both ways, so forward or back. And I said this boat's got the Mercruiser 4.5 250 horsepower engine. And there you have it. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others that we have for sale, please give us a call.